Okay, so back again with this Jecod DP-3. Just popped all the corner pieces off, and you may need to get a little screwdriver just into there and give it a little tap to free it off, but most of them came off by hand. So pretty straightforward design. They have a circuit board as the front panel with connections here. 3 motors. The LEDs are all mounted through the PCB and then soldered on the back. The flux is still on there, they haven't bothered cleaning that up. So yeah, really it's just whether we can do anything to dim those down. Certainly the power one, in fact it might even be worth just disconnecting the power one. So yeah, I'm going to have a little look at that. As I said before, under the sump there's going to be moisture in the air, and not really convinced that this is a good idea, having these components fitted like that. Anything that gets onto this front panel can slowly drip down or move down underneath these LEDs and get onto the contacts. Yeah, it's a bad design for the intention of use. I think we've got quite a splash of solder on there. I don't know whether you'll be able to see it, but yeah, that needs scraping off. And then the other side, we've just got the electronics. Again, pretty straightforward. Just wondering whether we can actually remove the display panel and fit it remotely. So we're definitely going to have a look at that, and yeah, I shall be back.